Hi, you're welcome to another lesson on adjectives at Language Place. Okay, so our last lesson we talked about adjectives in general, okay, and we talked about different kinds of adjectives. Now, I promised that I'll be talking about the different types of adjectives because we just treated it as a whole the last class. Okay, so this time around we're talking about different types of adjectives. Nous allons apprendre 4 types des adjectifs. We will be learning 4 types of adjectives. Of course, there are a lot of others, but just 4. So, les adjectifs qualificatifs. Les adjectifs qualificatifs. These are very common adjectives, okay? Sucré, belle, calme, okay? Used to describe a noun. Les adjectifs possessifs. Les adjectifs possessifs, where you have ma, ta, sa, to indicate possession. Les adjectifs démonstratifs, démontrer, okay, démonstratifs, ce, cette. Okay, you'll be learning this in a bit. And les adjectifs interrogatifs. Les adjectifs interrogatifs, quel. They are all pronounced quel, but spelled differently. Okay, quel. Les adjectifs qualificatifs, les adjectifs possessifs, les adjectifs démonstratifs, les adjectifs interrogatifs. Those are 4 types of adjectives that we'll be learning. Remember that I promised that I'll be teaching you masculine and feminine of nouns, so of adjectives rather. So let's do it like we were in primary school. A line, another one. Masculine, feminine. Okay, most French words have what? Masculine and feminine. And you remember that I told you that they agree in gender and in number. So we treated belle as a feminine word, okay, and we said beau is the masculine. Okay, so let's talk about calme. Okay, for those that have calme, that have an E in front of them, they stay the same in their feminine form. Calme. Now, look at joli. Joli has no E, no E in front of it. So, usually for adjectives that do not have an E ending them, okay, they add an E in the feminine part. So you have joli. Joli. Let's look at adjective possessive. Of course, ma is the masculine, ma is the feminine. But you'll be learning that in subsequent lessons, okay? We have ce and the feminine is set, okay? And for les adjectives interrogatifs, you have quel and quelle. Masculine, feminine. Okay, so for all adjectives, you know, for example, méchant. And you have what? Méchante. I told you that you add an E in the feminine part if it doesn't have an E in the masculine part, but if it does have an E, then you leave it same way. So let's do some exercise together. Can you give me the feminine version of formidable? Formidable. This is the masculine version. The feminine version will do a stay the same. So if your answer is also formidable for feminine version, you are very correct. And I will say, très bien. Okay, let's try this other word. How about têtu? Têtu. Têtu says means stubborn. Okay, so this is the masculine version. How would you write the feminine version? If you have added an E to it, thereby making it têtu, you are very correct. Très bien. Très bien. Okay, so this is how to make adjectives go from masculine to feminine. So every time, and remember, they must agree with the gender of the noun. So it becomes il est têtu, elle est têtue. D'accord? So, masculin, féminin, masculin, féminin. Okay? Switching it up would be like saying he's a fine girl. And you know that is wrong in English language. So in French, you have to make sure that there is an agreement between gender and between numbers. I hope you got value today. Nous sommes à la fin de la classe. On se verra. À plus. Au revoir.